What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cap's Garage. We got a quick video for you guys here today. We are going to be installing a Borla Attak exhaust on a Ford Focus RS. Woo! Borla hat. Borla clips. Instructions. We don't use those around here until I do, because I don't know what I'm doing. And break the pipe. Oh. This one's gonna be ridiculous. We have 4 barrels. Woo! Good guy. This is a big one. Here. Yes, sir. Got the custom black tips on her. Borla Attak, because he's about to make some moves and attack the competition. This right here needs to go off right there, and that right there needs to go on right here.
Perfect. Wow.
Going forward, we're gonna find the right socket, take off this rustiness. Surprised, since it is a Ford, that the bolts are still there. I'm gonna have to heat that bitch. Sell it. It's fucking terrible, isn't it? It's fucking terrible. Right here, you gotta take off the switch-related valve. This creates from to exactly like that. Here we go. It's probably supposed to be like right there, because that's the important part. Oh, perfect. All right.
Oh my.
Forward. All right. Do that right there. Yes. Next. Spit on them. Ow! This is the fun one. There she blows. For the Tortuga.
Yeah.
The sound of my people. Chief Nighthawk. William Nightman.
I'm William Nightman. Oh. That looks good. No, we can't. Can't see it.
Can't see it. No. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow motion.
Yo.
Hot boy.
Make sure there's no leak.
Loose leaf. So if you got dirty mittens like I do and you have fingerprints on here, make sure you wipe them off before you start the vehicle. Your fingerprints will actually burn into this metal and they will stay there forever and ever. Gosh damn, that's a big old pipe owner.
Go ahead.
2, 1.
Dude, you can hear the turbo in it better. It's just whistling. It's like.
Cat's Garage, follow, subscribe, you know what it is. We're out here making stuff better than it is. As always, do what you love what you do, and you will never work a day in your life. Peace.